So today we're doing a quick video on how to deal with withholding tax being deducted from your payments if you're a contractor. You might be a labour-only builder, and this may have been happening for a long time, or you might be one of the IT consultants who's subject to the new withholding tax rules, or perhaps someone who's been contracting through Weta for a while as well. So basically you're all in the same boat. The problem is, see in this situation here, we've got a dummy receipt here from Ridgeway University for $6,187.50. Well, in this situation, they've actually deducted 10% withholding tax from us. So we can't just code this straight to, we might go type Ridgeway in there. We can't just code this straight to sales because that's not going to be correct. What we have to do in this situation is we're going to look at creating a rule, which I think is probably a good way to deal with this. I've got a little calculator over here in Excel, which we can put on my website. And essentially what I've put in here is you just need to enter them into the white cells. So the net payment banked was $618,750. Withholding tax was 10%. And in this case, just to double check it, we're going to put what the net amount we invoiced was. Okay, so what Xero has done is what the spreadsheet's done is it's worked out what percentage we have to have here to gross that payment up. And I'll show you how that all works when we put it through Xero in the rule. So we click on Create Rule. Just define the rule, what we're going to use for our searching criteria, and put in here who we're going to call the transaction for when it comes through, and we're going to calculate it all based on percentages. So we might have contracting income, sales, and the percentage here we get from our spreadsheet up here. And we put in minus 9.52%. Okay, so the only slight problem, you'll see this when I show you the result, is that we can only go to 2 decimal places here, and you see we're supposed to have 3 decimal places for it to be bang on accurate. But what this ends up with in Xero is we end up being a few cents out, and that doesn't really matter. Reference doesn't matter either, so set it to be from the reference and save. Okay, so now it's got this rule here, so it's going to start applying that to all income that we receive from Ridgeway University in the future. Okay, I'll click on OK, and it's going to go away and process that transaction for us. So let's have a look at what it did. Reports, GST return. So this was in the August period, so we're going to have to preview the current period. And click on Audit Report, and we can see here. Okay, so what it's put is it's got 677,655 gross, and you'll see over here the accurate figure is 6,776.79. So we're a few cents out, but I think that's near enough for us. And so that's what it did with the sales part of it, and then you'll see we've got the 589.05 withholding tax, which is, yeah, once again, it's a few cents different, but at least it gets us pretty much there straight away, and it happens automatically. The only other option is to actually calculate this manually each time and actually type the figures in, but I don't think that's the best solution. Or of course you can set the invoice up and then match to the invoice.